In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider widget to your website using our easy-to-use website builder. Whether you're showcasing a gallery of images or just want to add an eye-catching element to your homepage, this quick tutorial will guide you every step of the way. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your website builder dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to the section of your website where you'd like the slider to appear. This could be your main page, a blog post, or any other section that you think could use a bit of visual flair. Simply hover your mouse over the area and you'll notice a small plus icon or a button labeled Add. Go ahead and click on that. Now, from the list of available widgets, look for the slider option. It might be under a category like media or elements, depending on your website builder. Once you've spotted it, click to add it to your desired section. At this point, you'll see a default slideshow ready for your customization. Next up, let's upload your images. To do this, click on the slider setup you just added. You should see an option to add images, often represented by a plus sign or labeled Add Images. Clicking it will open a file explorer on your computer, allowing you to browse and select the images you want featured in your slider. Remember, images with high resolution look best, so try to use the clearest, most professional photos you've got. After your images are uploaded, you'll want to customize the slider settings. This part is crucial because it lets you tweak how your slider behaves. Look for settings options like transition style, slide duration, and autoplay features. You can choose from fades, slides, or even more exciting effects depending on your preference. If you want your audience to linger a bit longer on each image, you might want to increase the slide duration. If you're showcasing a dynamic portfolio, opt for quicker transitions with autoplay to engage viewers instantly. Once you're satisfied with the settings, don't forget to customize the captions or overlays for each image if the option is available. Captions can provide context or enhance engagement by offering a brief description or call to action. After getting everything just right, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of your screen. This ensures all your changes are securely stored. Finally, proceed to publish your site. The Publish button sends all your hard work live for the world to see. And there you have it. Your beautiful image slider is now part of your website. With these simple steps, you've added a dynamic visual element that can captivate and engage your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy designing.